Did you know that all the time you've been spending stretching, foam rolling, or using massage gadgets to relieve your aches, pains, and tightness hasn't actually been helping you? My name is Coach Matt Pippin, and I'm going to show you a simple and effective way you can not only relieve these annoying issues, but skyrocket your performance without taking time away from the sports or activities that you love. Let me ask you a question. How many hours have you spent grinding away on a foam roller or jamming a lacrosse ball into a knot? How often has your warm-up been longer than your workout? And how many quick fixes or hacks have you tried that ended up falling flat? I've been in the same situation for years, and I've wasted so much time, energy, and money searching for solutions. Over $20,000 getting certifications or trying different gadgets all led me back to square one without improvement. What's worse is that many times those nagging little issues we think are just part of being active keep coming back, causing you to take time off to rest, which, let's face it, is the four-letter word no active person ever wants to hear. So let me ask you another question. If what we've all been doing isn't working, why do we keep doing it? What I've found over the course of my career is that the number one reason I see folks struggle to make long, lasting change is because they're not trying. It isn't because they're not motivated. It's because they're not getting to the root of the problem. You see, these modalities I've mentioned are only reaching the surface level at your muscles. That's great and all, but it's not where the issue started from in the first place. Luckily for me, and now you, after years of education, research, and working with clients, I've found a solution which has been a game changer for me and my clients. Let me introduce you to Kinstretch Online, your source for anytime, anywhere mobility workouts to help you relieve those nagging aches, pains, and tightness for good, so you can go out there and crush your favorite sport or activity. We all deserve that, right? So what is Kinstretch? The best way to think of it is, it's kind of like if yoga and physical therapy had a baby. It's a movement enhancement system that uses mobility training to get to the root of the problem. You'll work with your body in ways it's probably never been used before at the joint level, which is where all movement and all those nagging issues come from. Even if you have a tight muscle problem, it was put there because your nervous system doesn't feel safe. We build strength and control at your joints with the mobility training in Kinstretch Online, and those problems become a thing of the past. The best part? It's the most simple and effective way I've seen to make long-lasting change. You'll improve body control, flexibility, strength, and power. Relieve those aches, pains, and tightness, so no more taking days off from training to rest. You'll also reduce the chance of future injury and establish healthy movement patterns, and I'm not kidding, will skyrocket your sports performance. Kinstretch is a system being used by professional sports teams all over the US, and now I'm so excited to be bringing this system to you so you can take control of your self-care, no matter where you live. Let me just make this clear though, you do not have to be a professional athlete to do my Kinstretch Online program. This is for the everyday athlete, which means if you enjoy being active without worrying about aches, pains, and tightness slowing you down, this is the place for you. All you need for success is a desire to move, feel, and perform better. You can do them anytime, anywhere, on your tablet, laptop, or mobile device. No gym membership needed. Now, just a little bit about me. I've been a strength and mobility coach for over 15 years, coaching over 1,000 professional, collegiate, and everyday athletes move, feel, and perform at their highest level. It's my belief that we all deserve to move freely without the fear of aches and pains slowing us down, which is why I'm so just incredibly excited to bring you the system that's worked for me and so many of my clients. Now, I've seen other online Kinstretch programs that throw a bunch of advanced exercises at you that are really designed for the high-level mover. There's nothing wrong with that. We have to first master the basics and understand where your limitations and strengths are. Then, by safely progressing or regressing the exercises, you'll start to learn when you're ready for the more advanced ninja-like moves. Don't take my word for it though. Here's a recent email I received from Kinstretch Online member Sarah K. She said that she's been trying to learn Kinstretch for nearly a year now, and after joining a couple of other sites and purchasing a program that was for learning the basics, she noticed that it almost seems that they're all aimed toward instructors or very strong athletes. She's been facing a lot of health challenges and chronic injuries, it needed something a little different. From the varied links, the instruction, and the way we build for progression, it's all just so helpful and exactly what she needed to build a practice from almost nowhere. Now, how awesome is that, guys? Now, don't get me wrong, we do the cool stuff in Kinstretch Online, but my philosophy is training the human first and the athlete second. Long-lasting change is the name of the game, my friends. You've just got to get moving the right way, and I'll show you how.